In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Garmin Forerunner 55 to Spotify. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up Spotify on your Garmin Forerunner 55. To do this, you will have to connect it to any mobile device and also an account with Spotify Premium. So, to start, make sure that the Garmin Forerunner 55 is all set up through the Garmin Connect application. In here, you will be able to sign in with your account, tap the option to add a device, and then browse through all of the compatible models, including, of course, the Forerunner 55. So you just go through the initial setup process, and once this is done, all of the data collected by your Garmin Forerunner 55 will be transferred over to your Garmin account. It is important to do this to have the account set up, ready to be used. With this done, you will need to set up Spotify on your Garmin Forerunner 55. So usually this will be done through the App Store for your Garmin device, usually on Garmin Connect. So in there, you will be able to browse through various applications and find Spotify from the list of available apps for your Garmin device. Download it from the list, and once you download Spotify to your Garmin Forerunner 55 using the Connect IQ application, you will be able to get this done. Now, open the Spotify app on the device itself after it has been successfully downloaded through Garmin Connect IQ, and you just have to follow the instructions on screen. It is going to ask you to sign in with a Spotify account, so when you go over to music providers, you find Spotify and you choose it from the list on your Garmin Forerunner 55, you will be able to sign in with your account. Alternatively, it might also redirect you to Garmin Connect Mobile. In there, you will also get the prompt to sign in, and you just have to confirm. Include both your email address, a username, and a password, and accept the requirements for you to connect both accounts. With this done, you will be able to find all of your playlists, podcasts, and anything available on Spotify through your Garmin Forerunner 55. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Garmin Forerunner 55 to Spotify. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.